The lobby looks like may patawel. Nakita nyo, hindi pa daw tapos. And ayun yung harang nung pool. Hanggang dun lang under the bridge. Ayan. So,
temporary na po kasi under construction.
ayun. Okay. Ayan pala. Pag umatras-atras ng konti, kita yung beach. Kita nyo ba? Okay. So, for this vlog naman, I will be sharing with you yung aming hotel for this trip. We are here at Mandarin Bay and I'll show you. Meron silang welcome. Ayan. So, may pa-music. Ayan. Like, may pa-towel which you can use to freshen up. Sobrang lamig. Ang sarap kasi ang init eh. At ang bango. Ayan. So, ayan. Medyo marami rin nag-check-in kasi ang dami pang waiting. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasaan yung lobby. Pero, ito yung kanilang receiving area. Ayan, kita nyo? So, marami nag-aantay. And then, meron ditong parang bar. Ayun ata yung kanilang reception area. And then, may drinks. Welcome drinks. Ayan. So, let's see. It's iced tea. Pati ba kayo Mateo? So, as far as I know, this is the first and only 5-star hotel dito sa Boracay. And sila yung may longest pool dito sa buong Boracay, sa lahat ng hotels. Yun yung claim nila nung bagong in-open ko. So, let's see yung room later. For now, tayo muna ay mag-check-in. So, ayan. May mga welcome drinks. And we are waiting here. Grabe, alam nyo ang sarap nung towel nila guys. As in, ang sarap sa mukha dahil sobrang init. So yan, mag-check-in na yung mga tao. Libot ko kayo guys. So, ito yung kanilang lobby, diba? So, may mga upuan dyan. Upuan dito. And then, yun yung papunta ng pool. Actually, may restaurant sila dito. Pwede naman kayong kumain dyan kahit hindi kayo naka-check-in. Kasi last year, nagkain kami dyan. Okay din yung buffet nila. Then, ito yung bar. Then, ito yung iba pang reception area. They have an ATM machine. Nakikita niyo ba yung RCBC? Ayan. And then, itong area na to is the reception area, yung kanilang check-in, check-out counters. Pero I don't think they let people line up kasi kami kinuha lang yung IDs namin eh. And then this one, meron silang mga activities. Kung kailangan nyo ng activities, pwede rin kayo. I think almost all hotels naman in Boracay offers yung mga activities. So you can choose here. Ayan. And then, they have elevators here. And they have a resort map. Okay. Ayan, you see that? Ayan yung kanilang longest pool. Ayan o. You see? Nakalagay. Boracay's longest pool. And meron silang mga information. Like 1 minute 30 seconds, hotel lobby to beachfront. Ganon ang lalakarin nyo. Later, I'll show you that. Merong hotel lobby to La Fiesta, the restaurant. Mamma Mia is also the restaurant. They have different wings. So, East Wing reception to hotel lobby. East Wing reception to front beach. So, this is how big the hotel is. So, ito yung kaninang nakita natin. Di ba, nung nakasakay tayo, meron doon. Pero, dito kayo bababa. So, yan. So, balance lang tayo guys, di ba? Kumbaga, nag-DIY kami pagdating namin dito, naka-tricycle. Pero yung hotel nyo naman, di ba? So, dapat balance eh. Yung tinatawag na hindi pwedeng lahat. I-push mo, di ba? Yung parang pagka nag-transfers ka, ang i-avail mo pa yung dito sa hotel. Kasi nag-inquire kami dito, ang transfer sa hotel round trip is aabutin ng 2,300 pesos per head. Imagine, that's 2,300 pesos per head. So, 5 kami, that's about 11,000 plus or 12,000 plus, ganyan. Samantalang yung DIY namin, inabot lang kami ng 1,650 one way. Imagine that is cheaper pabalik kasi wala nang mga environmental fee. So, ganun. Imagine niyo yung matitipid nyo. Mga almost 8,000, 7,000, di ba? So, balance lang. Tipid kayo sa transfers, pero sa hotel, bongga nyo. Or pwede naman gusto nyo, magbongga kayo ng transfer and then mid-range na hotel. Or kahit low-end na hotel dahil lagi naman kayong magbi-beach, lalabas, kakain. So, yon. Anyway, we are still waiting for our check-in. Pagka naka-check-in na kami, papakita ko sa inyo yung lalakaran natin, dun sa may pool area. Ilang araw naman tayo dito, 5 days and 4 nights. So, papakita ko yung pool everyday kung magsuswim kami. Yung mga rooms na pag-checkingan namin, doon papakita natin. So, now, inom muna ako ng aming welcome drink dahil ako'y pagod na pagod. And I'll update you pag kami ay papunta na sa room. So, we are now going to our room. So, 2 rooms yung nakabook today pero hindi pa available yung isang room. So, sama-sama muna kami sa isang room na available na para maiwan yung gamit and then we can go out for lunch kasi gutom na din kami. Ayan. So, from the lobby, meron ditong parang hallway kaming dinaanan. Ayan. So, yun lang yung lobby. And then, may hallway dito and then there's an elevator. So, ayan. Let's go. Let's go. So, our room is on the 3rd floor. It's 307. Ayan. Theo, move. That door will open. Okay, so go. Left side. Here. So, ayan. So, these are the rooms. Hindi naman kayo maliligaw. In every hotel, almost ganyan naman. May guide sa inyong room number. So, this is how the hallway looks like. Ayan. And then, we are going to 307. Okay, so let's do the room tour na. This is the other room, yung isa hindi pa available. So, ayan, wait. So, once you enter, ito yung door. And then, to your right, may cabinet, may robe, and may slippers, may safe, okay, may hair dryer, and then I think this is yung lagayan ng mga dirty clothes. And they have umbrella also. And flashlight. Okay. And then ito naman yung kanilang bathroom. So the bathroom has a shower area. And meron sila nung mga shampoo and conditioner and bath gel. Tapos this is their toilet bowl. May bidet. Perfect. Okay, malinis. Ang kanilang trash can, walang plastic. Hindi ko alam kung hindi talaga nila nilalagyan. But dapat, feeling ko meron kasi di ba didikit. O di ba pati yan yung problema ko. And then, meron ditong lotion. May soap. Yung inyong vanity kit. Merong, ito vanity kit, yung cotton buds. Ano to? Cotton buds, cotton, tapos mga toothbrush, comb, and a mirror, syempre. And they have a bathtub also. May bathtub pala, hindi ko nakita. O, diba? Bathtub also. Kailangan ganun magsalita. And then, towels. Now, when you go out, meron ditong lagayan ng luggage. Ito yung area na lagayan ng luggage. And a full body mirror here. And full body mirror din here. Tapos, you have your, ano tawag dito? Ano ang tawag dito, kuya? Bar. Ayan, meron. So, dito yung mini bar. So, may water na naka-bottle, glass, pang coffee nyo. And then, you have your coffee stuff here. May green tea, Nescafe Gold in fairness, brown sugar, white sugar, and creamer. May ref na ang laman ay water lang din. Another area na patungan ng gamit. May sofa pa dito. May ito yung mini couch, ganyan. May cabinet dito, side table. Tapos, walang laman naman ang kanilang mga drawers. And then, may mirror. And this is a king-sized bed. So, king-size yung dito. Yung later twin, papakita ko na lang din yon sa inyo. And then, nandito yung isa pang side table. May phone. May sofa. Ayan yung sofa area. Meron ditong working area, working table, ganyan. May tissue. Okay? And this is the view. The view is yung pool area. Ayan. Wow. So, this is our view. And actually, a portion of the beach, hindi ko alam po nakikita nyo. Teka, nasaan? Ayun o, kita ba? Kita ko eh, pero natatakot ako kasi nandito na ako sa mataas na lugar na to. Ayan o. Ayan yung baba. And then, meron kayong veranda area na pwede kayong mag-chill, uminom. And this is the whole Mandarin. Anyway, yan muna ang ating room tour. Meron pang isang room. So later, yun naman yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. And sasabihin ko din kung how much yung rate nito na nabook ng brother ko via Agoda. So later ko na lang kayo babalikan doon. And now, i-check naman natin yung kanilang fitness center para mapakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, maliit pa yung fitness center. Pero let's see what's in here. Ito lang pala siya. Katabi lang siya ng lobby. So, let's see. Go inside. Ayan. So,
Temporary lang po kasi under construction lang po yung...
ayun. Okay. So, temporary fitness center pa lang to kasi under renovation pa daw. So, may treadmill, may stationary bike, may weights, they have water, pwede din. Ay, wala pala, mirror pala to. Akala ko may, so yun, may mirror and then restroom to, sir. Hindi. Ayan, yun. So, yan.
Ayun naman po, sir. You can approach us with the lobby naman po, sir.
So, dalawa lang yung equipment. So, since temporary pa lang yung fitness center na meron sila, at least meron pa rin. You can go here pagka gusto nyo. Usually naman hindi yan mapupuno kasi hindi naman madalas na mga nag-beach or nagboborakay masisipag pang mag-exercise. Well, ako, talking from experience. But yeah, meron sila. So, meron silang treadmill and stationary bike. And weights, if you want. This is how the hotel pool looks like. Ayan. Longest pool. So, hanggang dun, paikot. Pero feeling ko dito lang kami magsuswimming kasi yung room namin is dito sa area na to yung room namin eh. Dito sa side na to. Diyan. So, feeling ko, dito lang kami magsuswimming. Sisilipin lang namin how long the longest pool in Boracay is. Dahil sabi nila, ay, may tornado. may tornado. Teo, look here. Ayan, so, let's see how long and how far it goes. Ito, I think yung mga room na, hindi ko alam kung pati ito kasama yung sa parang pool access kasi malapit din naman sila. But yung rooms na yun talaga yung parang pool access kasi may stairs going down. So, this is it. Paikot lang talaga siya. Hanggang doon. May close na doon. Ba't naka-close? Naka-close siya. Siguro hindi pa nila pinapaste yan. Ayun o, kita nyo. Naka-close. Ayan o. Nakita nyo, hindi pa daw tapos. And ayun yung, harang nung pool. Hanggang dun lang under the bridge. Tapos hindi pa daw tapos yung area na yun. Actually, yung capacity naman ng hotel, parang malaki. Kasi hindi siya puno like right now. Hindi ko alam kung habagat season. And now, we are going to eat first. Ito yung kanilang pool. The longest pool in Boracay. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang isang restaurant. This is yung Italian, Mamma Mia restaurante. And then, meron ditong Laud. Yung kanila namang buffet na may unlimited seafood. So, ayan. Ganito kalaki yung Mandarin Bay. Sobrang ganda niya, bago pa kasi talaga. Sana ma-maintain. Yan, may paganyan pa sila. Ito hindi pwedeng languyan, pang display lang siya. Ito naman yung kanilang buffet lunch, yung Laud restaurant na merong only seafood paluto. Diyan. Mura lang rate nito, nasa 800 plus lang kung di ako nagkakamali. Malaki siya and never siyang napupuno. So, ayan. Yan. Ang haba, no? Pero, ayan, ito yung sinasabi nilang 1 minute and 30 seconds walk going to the beach. And, kung kayo ay magbe-beach, dito nyo hihiramin yung beach towel. And you have toys. You can borrow toys. Ayan. So, ito na yung beach front. And ito ata yung menu. Papakita ko yung menu. Ay, walang TV. Anyway, we're here. Yun na, ganun lang yung lakad. And Mandarin Bay. And we are back in the hotel. And now, ready na yung room namin, yung other room. So, i-room tour ko kayo. Pero mabilis na lang to kasi almost same lang naman siya dun sa naunang room na pinakita ko. Pero ito is twin bed. So, again, when you enter the door, to your left naman, kanina to your right, diba? To your left, nandito yung mga cabinet, ayan, ganyan. So, may safe, yung slippers, may robe, yung lagayan ng laundry, and may umbrella nandun. Nakikita niyo ba yung umbrella? Ayan. And then, to your right is the bathroom. So, ganun din. May shower area, may mga toiletries, may toilet, may bidet, may tissue na iuuwi natin pag natira. And then, yung mga toiletries na iba. Yan, mirror, and the bathtub. Okay? Tapos, paglabas, nandito ulit yung lagayan ng gamit. Mirror, minibar, ganun pa rin yung laman, water, coffee, water, and yung mga coffee. Tapos, full body mirror again. And when you enter, ito, yung sofa, lagayan ng gamit, TV, and ayan yung bed. Twin beds. So, yan. May mirror here. May boss doon na nakaupo. Yan. And then, this is the working area again. Mirror. And yung view namin, actually, magkatabi kami ng room. So, yung isa is 307. Ito naman is 306. So, may veranda. And, ayan ulit yung view. Mas hindi kita dito yung pool na, or yung beach pala rather. Mas hindi nakita yung beach dito. Pero, ayan. So, now na naipakita ko na sa inyo yung hotel, yung kanilang mga amenities, at kung ano-ano pa. Sa mga magtatanong kung magkano ba magstay dito sa only 5-star hotel in Boracay with the longest pool. O, diba? Hindi sa akin galing yan. Sa kanila galing yan. So, ang rate nila per night lumalabas na nasa 7,800 pesos. So now, ang total ng buong stay namin dito is nasa mga 57 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi yung today na arrival namin, yung booking namin is from July 24 to 27, which is 4 days and 3 nights, and that is 2 rooms. Lumalabas siya na 19,357.42 per room times 2, that's 38,714.84. So, para sa chinek-in namin today na July 24 until July 27, 2 rooms, that's 38,714.84. Now, tomorrow, magkakaroon pa ulit kami ng additional room dahil darating naman yung isa ko pang kapatid. And yung booking naman nila is from July 25 to 27. So that is 3 nights and 2 days. At ang rate naman nung kanila is 13,069.34. Okay, so baka magtaka kayo, akala ko 7-8 pero mura lang yung nagiging ending, no? Kasi may mga promotion discounts sa Agoda. Sa Agoda kasi namin to na book, and may promotion discount sila during weekend pagka yung mga credit card ata, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Visa or Mastercard. So, i-time nyo na lang yan. So, ganon. Kaya yung kanilang 3 days and 2 nights, naging 13,069. So, lumalabas na parang mga more or less 4-7, ganyan. O, diba? Not bad. So, yon. And then, nag-book pa kami ulit ng for July 27 to 28 kasi yung isa is mag-check out na, uuwi na, diba? So, ang nabook naman namin doon for another room is 6,538. Again, may discount kasi, may promotion discount si Agoda. So, parang ang total na nagastos for this trip ay lumalabas na nasa 58,000 lang pala. 58,322.38. So, that is almost like 5 days and 4 nights para dun sa dalawang room. And then, 3 days and 2 nights dun sa isang room. Tapos, 3 rooms yon. So, yon, ganon. I-divide nyo na lang. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung breakdown. But that's it. Technically, hindi siya sobrang mahal if ikukumpara mo sa sikat na hotel chain dito, which is Henan, diba? Kasi Henan talaga yung uso. And si Henan, nagre-range din siya. Meron yung mga hindi beachfront, yung medyo mga nasa gitna. Meron ako mga nakikita nasa 4, 5, 4, 8. Regular rate nila yun, ha? Tapos, pagka yung mga beachfront talaga, nagre-range din ng mga 6,500, 7,000, ganun. So, dito naman kasi sa Boracay, hindi naman din talaga kayo mahihirapan na maghanap ng mga hotel na magaganda din naman pero hindi ganun kabigat. By the way guys, this stay is sponsored by my brother. O diba, find you a brother. Kasi birthday niya to, 40th birthday celebration niya. Kaya talagang pinush niya din na mag-Mandarin Bay para ma-experience. Kasi kumbaga na-try na namin yung Henan, yung mga mid-range nga, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba yung last time nag-stay kami, Boracay Haven. So hindi naman kami maselan pagdating sa ganun. Pero this time kasi, ito din yung parang first time na Mandarin Bay, ganyan. Tapos, kumbaga from the time na nag-soft opening, ngayon lang ulit kami nakabalik as a family. Tapos birthday pa, kaya tinry na namin. And hindi rin naman siya nga ganun nalalayo versus sa Henan, which is yun yung usual na pinagsistayan din. Kasi maganda rin naman talaga yung service sa Henan. And yung breakfast, okay na okay din. And speaking of breakfast guys, baka hinahanap nyo nasan siya dito sa ating Mandarin Bay Hotel vlog. Hindi ko na siya isasama dito. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa aking mga daily vlog dito sa Boracay. So, for tomorrow, our day 2, dun tayo makaka-experience ng breakfast. So, dun ko ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga food choices dito sa Mandarin Bay. So yun, doon na natatapos ang vlog natin na to tungkol sa Mandarin Bay. Kung may tanong kayo, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer it as much as I can. And sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to and sana may natutunan kayo. And kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again until my next travel vlog. Bye!